And it's very important to know that mahaba dapat ang buhay natin. Hindi lang gumaganda, gumagwapo, kung hindi nagiging healthy ang cells natin. Okay, so first I have to open my PowerPoint so you can share this also now. Share niyo na po ngayon. Can you see the PowerPoint, Miss Let?
Yes po, Doctora.
Thank you.
We're seeing the beautiful picture of Dr. Ray and kayo po.
All right, maraming salamat muli. And Dr. Ray, our wellness winner, ang topic would be You Are What You Drink. It's all about the Black MP Living Powder. So yan po ang aming iniinom ni Doc Ray. So bagitin ko lang muna yung paano nag-umpisa yung mundo. It's called the Genesis. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. So when we were created, it was on day 6. Pero importante na may babagitin lamang ako yung mga nabubulok ng mga plants kasi related sa topic natin ay day 3 po yan na-create. Very important. Hindi po kasabay ang mga animals na kasama din po tayo doon as a human being. Day 6 na po yun. So why do I talk about that? Kasi po, yung pong pinaka-ingredient nitong napakagandang endorsement namin ni Doc Ray was actually created day 3. Wala pong nabubulok na animal nung nabubulok po yung mga plants. Okay? So I will explain more later why I'm trying to tell you this. Okay, now, it's important also that the nutrients of our body ay kompleto, right? So dapat merong carbo, pero 1.5% lamang. So iwas tayo sa unlimited rice kasi your body only needs about 1.5%. What about the protein? 17%. What about the fats? 14%. What about the vitamins? Aba, konti lamang. Masyado pong maraming naluloko doon sa mga vitamin C, vitamin B. Okay naman po yun. Pero ang pinaka-importante, yung minerals. Kasi 6% po ang kailangan sa katawan natin. And of course, the water. Okay? Yan po tinatawag na cellular nutrition. And Doc Ray, mabanggit na lang natin, ikaw na magsabi ng mga free radicals na yan. Napakadami, hindi ba Doc Ray? Sige nga.
Ito talaga ang culprit ng ating sakit eh. Free radicals ang tawag, no? Especially yung processed food natin, no? Mga dilata, mga preserved food, no? And then, air pollution ang number 1 ngayon, ano? Dahil alam mo na, climate change, nasisira ang ating kapaligiran. And then water pollution, chemical pollution, unhealthy lifestyle, and drug side effect, no? Which is ang drug kasi natin ay galing sa gasolina. Kaya nagmamahal ang gasolina. Kaya ginagamit this drug siguro. And kaya all of those things are all free radicals. And ito yung corporate ng ating sakit. Dahil mag-oxidize ating katawan. So mag-ingat tayo dyan. No? Sa mga, but hindi ko na binabanggit yung stress. Kanya-kanya kasi yung stress. Ang stress, di ba? Kung madali tayong magalit, madali tayong malungkot, madali tayong ma-depress. So, presyon.
Yes.
Yan.
Kaya
free radicals ang lalabas sa katawan mo.
Yes. Yung lifestyle, Doc Ray, yung iba kasi ang lakas-lakas uminom, yung iba nag-yosi, at yung iba nagda-drugs. Yan ang ibang problema, di ba? Free radicals po lahat yun, yung mga nabanggit ni Doc Ray. And of course, mabanggit ko lamang, yung cells po natin ay napakarami, but we will talk about one cell muna. Okay, the cell actually has marami pong parts sa loob ng cell at may tinatawag na cellular membrane. Ito po yun, yung pinakatalukap. And yung pinakatalukap o cellular membrane is actually made up of good carbohydrates, and good fats, and amino acid. Now, Yan ang pinaka-importante na matibay. Ba't ko sinasabing dapat good carbs? Kasi yan yung mahaba yung tinatawag na polysaccharide, mahaba yung carbohydrate chain. So kung ganun yun, mas mahaba yung cilia or yung mga antena, yan parang tusok-tusok. Hindi po virus yan Kasi akala nila, hala, Tita Doc, virus yan. No, it's not. Yan tinatawag na antena o cilia or tinatawag na nakakabit po dyan ang protein at ang glucose. So it's a glycoprotein antenna. At yung pong pinagtutusukan niya, yan po yung tinatawag na double layer ng taba. Oo. So masarap pala kumain ng taba. Come on, I'm talking about good fats. Kung ganun po yan, importante ay makakapasok po yung nutrients at makakalabas po yung mga waste. So pag healthy po ang cell, you are nourished, you are hydrated, okay? Maganda yung kinakain mo, tama. Ikaw ay maraming tubig, you drink lots of water. Alkaline sana yung tubig na iniinom mo, okay? And sana it can deliver usable oxygen, okay? And merong polarity na negative, and then you will have energy, may detoxification, and alam mo na, may repair, may growth, may regeneration, haba ang buhay, hindi ba? Pero ang problema, kung ikaw, sinasabi ni Doc Ray, ang dami-dami mong sakit, you are diseased, mali yung kinakain mo, o kaya lagi ka namang gutom. May mga tao kasi na starving, wala na makain, di ba? Tapos yung tubig nila, soft drinks, and baka-acidic ng katawan nila. Okay? Kulang ng tinatawag na tamang oxygen sa katawan natin, and the polarity is positive, walang energy, intoxicated. Okay? So pag marami kang sakit, tumatanda ka, ay nako, yung nutrients mo ay talagang hindi po papasok at hindi mo pong ma-eliminate yung toxins. Yan po sinasabi ni Doc Ray na dapat po tayo ay alagaan natin dahil kailangan ng maraming antioxidants. Doc Ray, ito yung slide mo, napakaganda. Explain mo na.
Pakibalik lang yung sa una muna, no? Yung sayo.
Okay.
Pwede ba? Pwede mong mabalik yung sayo.
Yes.
Kasi yung binabanggit mong cellular membrane, medyo malilito sila dyan. Ang pangalan kasi dalawa, no? Plasma membrane or cellular membrane. Kung nakita nyo yun sa kanan, no, sa tabi ng polarity, yan, kaya nga yun ang cellular membrane, no? Plasma membrane din ang tawag. So, kaya, importante yan. Balik mo na ngayon na partner doon sa kasi ang ating cells, no, or cellula o tinatawag natin himay-may, no, pag unhealthy, no, yung ang cell membrane or plasma membrane is hard at saka matigas, hindi makapasok yung ating mga pagkain, no? So ang ating mga nutrients, vitamins, minerals hindi makakapasok kasi matigas yung cell membrane. Ang pangalawa, yung atin ng mga basura, waste natin, no, na produce ng cell, hindi makakalabas. So, ang totality niyan, masisira yung cell. No? Kaya ang importante ay healthy cell so that yung cell membrane or plasma membrane ay permeable o madaling papasok yung pagkain, oxygen, etc. Malambot. So, madali. So, ang paglabas naman ng waste product can get out easily, no, because it is very soft and permeable. So we need our cells to be healthy. No, in what way? You have to protect our cells, no, by those free radicals na binanggit kanina. So ang ating kailangan, protektahan natin by drinking the black MP. Kasi the cell membrane will be soft.
Yes.
Kasi pag na-oxidize yung ating mga cells, no, dahil doon sa diet, medication, treatment, water, air pollutants, fast food, McDonald's, stress, lack of good nutrition, alcohol, pesticide, exposure to toxin. At saka lahat. No? Saka kailangan natin yung tubig, kanina sinasabi ni partner na kailangan 61% because pagka kulang ang ating tubig, magkakaroon tayo ng headache, na tapos sasabihin natin migraine, tapos sabihin natin mayroon tayong dizziness and then vertigo. Kaya kulang ang ating tubig niyan. So another sources ng free radicals, no, sa ating mga plastic bottles, mga of course pesticides and preservatives in our food and drinks, and then the cigarettes. No, there are about 4,000 volatile organic compounds, no, which is very bad for our health. No, chemicals from household cleaners, heavy metals like lead and mercury found in fish. No, ito kinakain natin. May mga mercury din yung fish, lalo na kung saan nakuha yun. At saka sa mga paints, of course, ating water nawasan.
All right.
Now,
Yes.
sige,
Doc.
ay tutuloy ko lang. Okay.
Yes, Doc.
So,
Sige.
paano ba yung antioxidants tumarabaho? No? So, ang antioxidants ay itong ating black oxygen nga, no? So, black MP. So, mayroon kasing fulvic acid yan at saka humic acid. So, kung mayroon tayong free radicals sa ating cells, no, na produced by stress, toxins, chemicals, radiation, no, kailangan natin din antioxidants, no, para ma-neutralize yung free radicals, no, yung pula. Ngayon, ang ating antioxidant, yung green, kaya ngayon, yan ngayon, ang kinakain niya ngayon yan, ilalabas niya ngayon yan dahil ating cell membrane or plasma membrane ay permeable, so madaling ilabas ng ating black MP.
Yes. So, ito na ang superhero natin. Very good. Yes. Sino, Doc, to? Sino tong Superman na to?
Yan ang ating superhero ngayon, yung black MP. No?
Yes, si Black MP Superman. Yes, why not? Ito siya, nakabote po siya. Kakalkalin po namin yung ano ba talaga yun nasa bote na yan? In other words, it's important to know the ingredients and of course, what it can do to our body. Now, ingredients of Black MP. Doc, siguro banggitin natin ng konti kung saan ba talaga nanggagaling yung humic fulvic? Di ba nabanggit ko kanina yung creation, yung nagde-decompose yung mga plants. Siguro banggitin natin ng konti yung sources niya. Yeah?
Well, actually, galing talaga sa what we call pit bog, no, which is sa loob ng, sa kailaliman ng ating mundo. No? Doon nagagaling kasi yung mga dead plants and all the soil is good, no, down under there.
Yes,
so maraming ingredients yan.
Yes.
Kaya banggitin mo na rin na partner.
Yes. So all of this, may sinabi ni Doc Ray, ano? Yung mga nagde-decompose o nabubulok ng mga plants nung unang panahon pa on day 3 na creation. Tayo day 6 pa, di ba? Pati yung mga animals, nabubulok doon yung mga plants. It's actually undergoing humification process. Okay? So nag-start mo na yan sa humus, sa humic, then it produces the fulvic acid. In other words, para lang mas maintindihan nila, yung pong Black MP powder, ang ingredients niyan ay USDA certified organic humic fulvic na may 77 plus trace minerals. Meron siyang organic probiotics, may electrolytes, may alkaline pH, that's what it can do. Pag natunaw sa water, it becomes alkaline. It has amino acids. And of course, when you talk about plants, marami yang polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants. At meron siyang naturally occurring vitamins. Yan ang fulvic humic acid. Asking the color, yan po yun. Pag siya po ay na-extract na, made under good manufacturing practices, ito yung tinatawag na structure or molecular formula. Okay? Marami siyang carbon. That's why pag siya tinunaw po sa tubig, siya po ay maitim because of the carbon content. Of course, it has oxygen and hydrogen. Now, mabanggit ko lamang na yung humic acid precursor, mayroong biochemical reaction sa soil, and yung nangyayari dun sa kailailalim ng lupa, pag nabubulok po ang mga plants, may fulvic acid, humic acid, at may humins. Now look at this, highly soluble ang fulvic, yung humic hindi masyado, yung humins hindi. So importante na highly soluble yung powder. Mapapansin po ninyo, pag kayo po ay nagpatunaw ng 1/16 lang of a scooper sa isang malinis na tubig, natutunaw ka agad. So these are more of the fulvic. Combination of humic fulvic and more of the fulvic kasi highly soluble. At bakit siya highly soluble? Kasi ang molecular weight niya ay napakababa. Low molecular weight. Okay? So itong fulvic na to is a very important. Why? What is it actually? It is a highly soluble organic phenol that creates compounds with elemental mineral nutrients. The molecule is absorbed more effectively than colloidals, which are too large. So yung fulvic acid is also a natural electrolyte. So what it does? Fulvic acid delivers nutrients. It can include oxygen right into the cell for better absorption. It flushes out toxins and heavy metals from the body, and it is a powerful antioxidant. So ito siya. As to be
Baka
direct,
sabihin
diba?
nila,
Sige,
partner,
Doc.
baka sabihin nila, ay, kumakain naman ako ng maraming fruits at saka vegetables. Eh. Ngayon, kaya nito nagawa ito ng black living powder, black MP living powder, no, ng Rinaw. Dahil nalaman natin na yung ating soil depleted na, no, dahil sa maraming pesticides, maraming fertilizers. So wala nang pumapasok sa roots, no, at saka sa leaves ng ating mga kinakain ng mga minerals at saka nutrients. Kaya mas mabuti lang itong Black MP Living Powder kasi mayroon na siyang nutrients, mayroon na siyang polyphenols. Yung tinatawag na polyphenols ay mga nutrients yun.
Yes, totoo yun. Alam mo, Doc, makwento ko lang ha. Minsan kasi, even before COVID, pumupunta ako doon sa mga healthy market na nagbebenta lang daw ng organic fruits and vegetables. Naniniwala ka agad ako eh. Actually, yung tindera lang nagsasabi noon. Ngayon, pag bumalik ako ulit sa mga tindahan na ganyan, tatanungin ko yung tindera, paano naging organic yan vegetable mo, te? Paano, te? Ang mahal-mahal kaya no, hindi ba? Pero hindi na. Baka mapahiya lang, di ba? Di ba, Doc? Iinom na lang ako nito. Tama?
Wala nang organic dyan. Kaya marketing na lang yan. So to be honest, wala na talagang organic sa ano natin. Sa lupa.
Correct. Now again, yung Rinaw, that's the name of the company as explained earlier by Miss Colette. So may essential minerals siya, about 77 plus. Trace minerals po yan ha, hindi yan tinatawag na yung mineral, hindi ganon. Trace minerals lang ang sinasabi natin because to be able for your body to work, you know, yung tinatawag na biochemical process na katawan, it has to have trace minerals. Okay? So the minerals itself are electrolytes. So may probiotics po itong nilagay, so base probiotics and pH balance. Now,
ang importante doon sa minerals natin, yung unang-una yung iron. No? Kung walang iron, hindi magkakaroon ng oxygen ang ating red blood cells. So kailangan natin yung iron para magkaroon ng oxygen. No? That is the carrier of the oxygen to our red blood cells.
Yes, very good. Ang galing, no? Ibang klase talaga to. Sana matagal ko na nalaman ito eh. Kaya lang, mabuti kahit senior na tayo, Doc Ray, dumating pa to sa buhay natin. Alam niyo po kasi kami ni Doc Ray, mahilig sa mga tubig-tubig. Dati, we love the best water namin, yung maraming electrons. So meron kami yung tubig na, you know, under electrolysis, it can produce lots of hydrogen electrons, kaya hydrogen water yon. Masaya na kami ni Doc Ray. Oh, nagte-testimony nga yan eh. It took care of his prostate gland problem, di ba, Doc Ray?
Ay, nag-lecture pa tayong dalawa noong 2016. Nakasabay tayong sa mga doktor ng molecular hydrogen water.
Yes, so I remember that. Dami-dami nating audience noon, di ba? Wala pang COVID yun. May tayo sa mga tubig-tubig. Anyway, and then we learn about another, parang evolution ba? Kaya lang, kulay itim. It's okay, since naaral namin ito, kasi may fulvic humic siya, unique fulvic minerals, and may soil-based organism. We will talk more about the benefits. Ito na po siya. Benefits of Black MP. M stands for minerals, P stands for probiotics. Doc Ray, itong first slide, I will allow you, please. Ikaw mag-explain ha. Antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, immune system, and enzyme production. Sige po, Doc.
Yeah, okay. Yung kanina, nabanggit na natin yung free radicals. No? Yung free radicals nga, yun ang talagang ating kalaban, no? So kailangan natin antioxidant at itong black MP ay an antioxidant. So para itong para itong scavenger, free radical scavenger ang tawag ko nito eh. So para itong nangunguha ng mga basura kasi yung lahat ng free radicals isasama ko na yung lahat ng pathogens, no, which are bacteria, virus, protozoa, parasites. Those are free radicals. At saka kayang-kaya ng antioxidant nating black MP, no? Kaya we will avoid oxidative stress kasi pag hindi balance yung oxidative stress at saka yung free radicals at saka yung ating antioxidant, magkakasakit tayo. Kaya 90 to 95% ng ating sakit kasi ay galing sa oxidative stress at saka inflammation. Kasi ang ating inflammation naman, sasama yun doon sa free radical. No? Magkakaroon tayong inflammation right away. And if you will notice, inflammation natin na magkakaroon tayo ng heat, redness, and pain, no, sa ating katawan pagka magkakaroon tayo ng inflammation. At nadagan pa natin ng allergy. Ano ba itong allergy? Kaya nga, because itong mga free radicals magpo-produce ding allergy sa ating katawan dahil magpo-produce ng histamine. No? Kaya ito namang ating black MP ay parang antihistaminic. No? And then ang ating immune system naman ay lumalago. No? I mean, lumalaban. No? Kasi nga, dahil sa ating minerals, because ang ating katawan ay kulang sa minerals because our yun talaga ating ngayon mineral deficiency, no, yung mga sakit din natin, no. Kaya ang ating immune system magkakaroon ng yung immune system yung laban ng mga sakit, no. Yun ang immune system natin, no. And then ang ating mga enzymes din dumadami, no. Kaya ang enzymes naman kailangan natin yun to digest our food, no, from the gastric juice to the pancreatic juice, intestinal juice, etc. Those are enzymes, no, that will of course make our digestion better.
Yes, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Now, I will explain naman about how it can help boost natural electrolytes, help increase energy level, deliver usable oxygen by 45%, and help restore electrochemical balances, okay? And prevent muscle cramps. So, may electrolytes pala siya. Definitely, it does that because of the minerals, because of the trace minerals. Pag sinabi natin electrolytes, kasi yung katawan natin, we are electrical beings eh. Hindi tayo tatakbo kung walang tumatakbong elektrisidad sa katawan natin. So, yung ating mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of our cell, naku, okay po yan yung sinasabing nagpuproduce ng energy, kailangan ng black MP living water para mapagpatuloy po yung production ng energy. Okay? And if it does that, kaya lang yung mitochondria na yan, pag nagpuproduce ng energy, malas. Bakit? Nagpuproduce kasi ng free radicals. Kaya lang, nabanggit ni Doc Ray kanina, yung free radicals is taken care of by the antioxidants provided by the black MP living powder na naging water. Okay? Huwag kayo ma-confuse. Powder po siya kasi kailangan tunawin sa tubig. Now, it can actually be a delivery system because it can deliver the nutrients inside your cells and at the same time, tinatawag na yung in ionic form, yung oxygen, usable oxygen po yan, delivered 45% all over your body throughout your circulatory system. And definitely it can help restore electrochemical balances. Okay? Now, it can prevent muscle cramps. Siyempre, may magnesium yan eh. At saka iba pang trace minerals na katulong yan pag may mga puli-pulikat. Okay? Okay, Doc Ray, ito sa'yo, Doc Ray, and it balances body pH levels pala, meaning, ibig sabihin yan, it can balance your acid-base. It's a balance of acid-base. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na, hindi ko kailangan maging acidic, but remember, other parts of your body, dapat acidic. Kaya lang, nababalanse dapat yan ng alkalinity. And the black MP can help that.
Dagdag ko lang at partner, nung pakibalik ngayong para at least makita nila. yung electrical balances, no? I would like to mention na yung ating Black MP kasi, yung next, yeah. It will, yan. Electrical balances. Mayroon kami tinatawag sa medical term ng homeostasis. No? When you see homeostasis, yun ang chemical balances natin na binabalanse. No? Kung halimbawa, ang temperature natin, ang ating blood pressure, lahat ng ating electrochemical situation na nangyayari sa ating katawan, ma-restore niya, no, mababalanse niya, including yung ating pH, no, na sinasabi diyan. Thank you.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Yan ang maganda yung bang namimiss si Tita Doc, syempre tatagtagan ni partner hindi ba, partner? Okay. Ito, partner. Probiotics, body weight, hormones, and brain function. Sige, Doc.
Yeah, isang maganda rin dito, yung mga ibang tinatawag nila diyang mga supplement, no? Mayroon silang fulvic acid din and pumic acid, but wala silang probiotic. Itong ganda nito, mayroon tayong 5 probiotics na soil-based, no? SBO, soil-based organism, no? Which promotes healthy gut. Ano ba yung healthy gut? Yun na nga, yung leaky gut, yung pagka nabutas-butas natin ang ating intestine, magkakaroon tayo ng sakit, no? And then ang ating mga microbiome, no? What we call microbiota, yung good bacteria in our gastrointestinal tract, no? And then the microbiome yung lahat na, no? So it has to be balancing each other, no? The good and the bad ano itong pangatawag dito? So the probiotics will maintain the balance of the microbes, no? Marami kasing microbes ang ating gastrointestinal health, from our mouth down to our anus, no? There are many bacteria, no? Which are different. And then, well, of course, it will regulate the body weight because everything is completely homeostatic, no? Completely balancing, no? Ang hormone natin, and then ang ating function din sa ating brain, sa ating heart, and then ang ating mental clarity, no? Is very good.
Yes, Doc. Importante kasi yung iba, nag-overweight daw, no? Can it suppress the appetite ba daw? Actually, yes, hindi ba, Doc Ray? And syempre, matakaw, tataba, yan ang problema natin. At pag matakaw, tataba, baka maging diabetic o tumaas ang blood pressure, o tumaas ang bad cholesterol, o tumaas ang uric acid. So marami ng degenerative diseases kasi nga, free radicals ngayong maling pagkain Kaya, can this actually regulate body weight? Yes, kasi it can suppress your appetite. Paano naman daw yung mga payatot? Yeah, kung payatot naman, it corrects the problem. Papakainin ka naman niya. Okay? Testimony po yan ng mami ko.
Partner
Yes.
Yung metabolic syndrome, no? Yung tinatawag natin metabolic X. The syndrome
X. Yes. Correct. Yung syndrome X. Ako, dapat malaman niya ng mga listeners natin Syndrome X. Meron po yan. It's also called the metabolic syndrome. 5 pang symptoms niyan, di ba, Doc Ray? Mataba, mataas ang sugar, mataas ang cholesterol, triglycerides. Yeah. Actually, it has 5 symptoms. 3 out of 5. 3 lang out of 5. Meron ka niyan, matakot ka kuya. Baka magkaroon ka ng CVA, either stroke or heart attack. Yung balances hormones, yan nga, Doc, bagitin ko lang din. Yung tinatawag na stress hormone, yung cortisol, kasi pandemic, Diyos ko po, pag tumaas pa yung cortisol level, ay wala na. Baka ma-heart attack ka nga. Lagi ka na tataranta. So, inom-inom lang po ng Black MP Living Water. Nako yan, medyo kakalma ka po. Okay? Now, it can boost brain function, definitely. Okay? Now, bagitin ko lang, it's a preventative and prophylactic to viral immunity. Hindi po curative, pero preventative and prophylactic. Ibig sabihin, yung pong humic fulvic can actually coat, nako-coat po niya, yung virus. Okay, any virus, not only the COVID, Omicron, lahat po ng klaseng virus, pwede po niya i-coat. and then it will not be able to affect a healthy cell. So ang ginagawa po kasi ng Humifulvic, bago pa atakihin yung healthy cell, okay, inuunahan niya na. Okay, so if it does that, then all the other healthy cells will be able to communicate with each other. Importante po kasi yung cell communication. So prophylactic ba siya? Yes. So bago pa ikaw magkaroon ng mga virus, hindi ba, Doc Ray? Ang dami niyan eh, hindi ba? Yung mga mahihilig sa sex, nag-HIV, hindi ba, Doc Ray? Sige nga, bagitin natin yun.
Yeah, I consider the virus. All the viruses are free radicals eh, kaya antioxidant itong ating iniinom eh. So natural, it will prevent the virus from multiplying and giving havoc to our system.
Yes, nice. So it's a chelator of metals, hindi ba, Doc Ray? It chelates?
Yeah, it can chelate all the bad mineral, like lead and mercury. Anything that is bad, what we eat and what we drink. Ito naman it can chelate. So it para itong basurero eh.
Yes.
Para siyang kinakain niya at saka tinatapon.
Correct. Para madali intindihin, yun ibig sabihin ng chelator. Rejuvenate the skin. Siyempre, yan ang gusto ko, Doc Ray. Rejuvenate the skin. I love that. Diba? Why not? Madali na-explain yan. It can boost the body's natural collagen. Okay? Very important. Tutuloy lang. So if you want to look young and healthy, we have to drink that. Okay? Now, ito, Doc Ray, functional food. Yes, bakit nga ba?
Yeah, I consider this as functional food and drink, because it contains everything. We have the 7 basic content of our food, which is carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, fibers, and water. So kaya nga ito, may water rito eh. So a functional drink, it can be functional food because it contains all the ingredients of our nutrition and best hydration. It's absorbed and easily and assimilated as a nutrient. So it can enhance our all performance from our brain down to our muscles, our nervous system, our heart. So it's really functional food. So meaning, pwede na ito, in fact, pwede ito na lang inumin natin wala tayong pagkain. In fact, it can also reduce our weight. Because it's not enough naman kung yan lang ang anuhin natin na kailangan natin more. So we cannot drink more than 3 liters a day. So baka mamaya ma-bloat ka naman, bloated ka.
May nagtanong nga, Doc Ray, how much of that water should we drink now? Sige, sagutin natin yung
at least 1 liter. At least 1 liter.
At least 1 liter, yes. Okay, that's really good. So ito, Doc Ray, bagitin natin yung improved immunity.
Ikaw na.
Yeah. So, pag sinabi natin immune system, ibig sabihin yung immunity ng cells natin importante. It can actually stimulate our production of lymphocytes. These are called the immune system cells. Immune system organ ay merong immune system cells. Para bang tao, yung katawan ng tao, parang sasakyan o parang country. Kunyari Pilipinas yung katawan mo, may kampo, di ba? May Camp Crame, may Camp Aguinaldo, may Air Force, meron Sea, di ba? Panlapan. At lahat naman ng mga tao sa mga kampo na yan, pinapakain mo ng tama, di ba? Because yan yung tinatawag na cells, immune system cells. In other words, it can stimulate production of lymphocyte, it can activate macrophages and NK cells, and induces the production of both cytokines, the alpha, the beta, and the gamma interferons, and the tumor necrosis factor, okay, alpha, TNF alpha. Okay, Doc. Sige, Doc. Nabanggit mo to kanina.
Yeah, well, as I said, kaya nga yan tawag homeostasis, kaya electric chemical equilibrium, restore ng ating katawan, In fact, that's why our pH, yun ang acidity and alkalinity of our blood is 7.35 at saka up to 7.45, Kaya more on the alkaline side. Kaya yung ating Black MP is pH 10, no? So kaya iyon ang magbabalanse. Yun ang produce ng tinatawag naming homeostasis, no, sa medical term. Pero actually
Yes.
equilibrium yan, no? Which is our temperature, our blood pressure, our pulse, no, everything. No, ito ang magbabalanse, no? Kaya ang ganda nitong produktong ito eh. So it can really, and there are studies, no, that we can show, no, of all
Yes.
the action and the importance of this Black MP.
Yes, that's true. That's true. Very, very true. Okay, so pakita lang natin si Miss Colette, hawak niya yung bote. Okay, just to be able to show people that we actually use it now. Hindi lang po to kwento. Si Miss Colette, Miss Joy, and of course, si Dr. Ray, nagtitimpla-timpla po yan. Meron pong kasamang scooper. Oh, there he is. May scooper po siya, 1/16 of a scooper. Ilalagay niyo sa malinis sa tubig, either 500 ml or 1 liter. Na dapat po inumin, pag 1 liter po, okay na po yan in 24 hours. Pero kung kaya niyo po ng 1.5 liters in a day, okay din po. Kung ikaw naman ay nag-gym, nagbabasketball, may mga athletic performance ka, you have to drink about 1.5 to 2 liters. Remember, we lose about 1.5 liters a day through your urine, through your stool, through perspiration, and through your cellular, yung tinatawag na respiratory. Okay? When you breathe, wiwi, pupu, and pawis, you lose 1.5 liters. At dapat ibalik po yan. And of course, masaya po tayo dahil si Miss Joy nagtitimpla na rin. And of course, si Miss Colette nagtitimpla na rin yung hawak-hawak niyang bote. And of course, our another leader, si Ken. Okay, very good. And syempre, natimpla na ni Miss Colette, natimpla na rin ni Miss Joy, and of course, ni Sir Ken. Syempre, Doc Ray, hindi tayo pahuhuli dyan, hindi ba? Ngayon alam na natin na the Black MP Living Water is the only mineral water in the world that contains probiotics, fulvic, and humic minerals. It has 77 trace minerals, at may electrolytes and pH level of 10. So masaya po kaming dalawa ni Doc Ray dahil we believe that it will detox our body, it can repair cells natin, it will regenerate, and it can support our immune system. So DRS.
And I call it wellness winner.
Yes, we are the wellness winner. Correct. Tama. At yun po, meron po bang artificial coloring yan? Wala nga, di ba, Doc Ray? Dahil nga, bakit nga siya maitim, Doc?
Dahil na sa carbon, dahil alam mo na sa ilalim na kinukuha yun eh. Parang
Yes.
yung mga diamond, doon sa kung saan yung diamond kinukuha, yun kaya
Yes.
maraming carbon.
Yes.
Itim.
At wala pong asukal yan, no artificial sweeteners, wala pong lasa pag natimpla na, walang preservative, no artificial electrolytes, natural electrolytes po yan. Okay, and pH level, okay, level of 10. Tinatanong nga nila, Doc Ray, pwede po bang gumamit ng mga purified water? Kasi purified, acidic man yan, pwede ba daw gumamit nun? Pwede, di ba, Doc Ray? Bakit?
Yeah, any kind of water except tap water, no? Kasi marumi yun.
Yes, except tap water, except rainwater, except well water. Wala po siyang artificial chemicals whatsoever. Now, lagi po itong chine-check kasi sabi nila, hala, parang dumi ata yan. Hindi po, meron mo tinatawag na certificate of analysis. Okay, so wag po kayong matakot. Ito po ay certified drug-free. Okay, so meron siyang gold standard seal in dietary supplemental certification. Okay, so again, malinis po to and certified po siya. So wag pong matakot. Okay, and it is FDA GRAS, generally regarded as safe. Now, again, Doc Ray, banggitin mo ulit itong Black MP Living Water. Ano ba importanteng elements? Yes.
Yeah, the most important is the fulvic and humic acid with 77 trace minerals. Mayroon pa siyang electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and chloride, at it's alkaline, which is pH of 10. So, Meaning, hindi naman maganda rin yung too much alkaline na partner eh. Pagka
Yes.
halimbawa, kagaya nung ibang, hindi ko na babanggitin kasi masama naman, ano? Na mayroon diyang ibang water na umaabot ng 14, 16, that's over alkaline. Hindi
Yes.
aganda yung sa katawan natin.
Yes, we don't need that. Correct. Tama. Okay. Yes, Doc.
Yeah, that's why it's we have a pH of 10, no? Kaya magbabalance 'yon, no? Kasi as I said, ang ating dugo ay 7.35, 7.45. So
Yes,
doon, pagka mayroong acidity, kayang-kaya nung 10 natin. In fact, pati sa ating stomach, no, which is acidic, pag ininom natin 'yon, yung ating stomach na 2 or 3 ang pH, hindi masyadong magbabago, no?
Yes.
Kaya nga ang ating mga probiotic hindi mamamatay dahil nga nide-dilute ng konti ng ating black MP para makapunta doon sa ating intestines.
Yes. Amazing. No, pa na-explain natin yung mechanism of action, parang wala na akong masabi pa. It's just a point na kailangan maniwala po kayo nanonood dahil sobrang aral po namin ito ni Doc Ray. Sa bagitin ko lang, we're almost finished. Fulvic acids have many vital actions in the body. Life, as we know, it would not exist without them. So ito yung actually parang summary. There are 8 ways fulvic acids support good health. Summary na lang ito, Doc Ray. No, bagitin ko lang muna yung 4, yung mamaya 4 ikaw ha. Yung first 4 po, promote gut health. Na-explain na po yan. It supports the growth of beneficial bacteria in our gut. Then number 2, they help to keep the body's electrochemistry in balance and cells optimally charged and healthy. Number 3, fulvic acid po allow minerals to regenerate and interact with one another. Kaya na-enhance po ang kanyang availability. Now, they are powerful antioxidants and cleansers acting to counter damage caused by free radicals. Yan po yung 4. Ito pa yung 4, babanggitin ni Doc Ray.
Well, it can chelate heavy metals, no? Dahil sinasabi natin na marami tayong nalalanghap at saka nainom at kakain ng heavy metals, ay yan naman, kayang-kaya ng ating scavenger, no? Which is the black MP, no? And then, yun na nga, yung mga pesticides, herbicides, no? Wala, kayang-kaya nating but dapat ang ating cell membrane, no, or plasma membrane ay malambot, no, kasi nga kung hindi makakalabas yung masamang bagay sa ating katawan, at saka pati yung ating vitamins at saka ating mga minerals hindi makapasok kung hindi malambot ang ating cell membrane or plasma membrane, no. Kaya ang importante talaga itong black MP, no? It can protect the skin, it can even treat wounds because it is anti-inflammatory and healing, and even just small scratches and rashes produced by allergy can be taken care by the black MP, no? Because the histamine will be reduced.
Yes. Great, Doc. Grabe. So ito si Doc Ray Chavez, meron siyang good news. Ito yung good news na gusto niyang sabihin sa ating lahat.
The good news ng ating walang side effects, no? Kaya functional drink, no? Lahat ng food-based mineral bomb ang tawag natin dito kasi maraming minerals at saka nutrients, no? Polyphenols, no? And everything is there. Kaya functional food ang tawag ko dito.
Yes. And syempre, si Tita Doc, meron ding another good news. Ano yun, Tita Doc? Testosterone, remember, is the key to male strength and virility. Low testosterone levels can stall your sex drive, add weight to your gut, and lead to loss of muscle mass. So, nakakatulong pala yan sa akin, Tita Doc. Sabi ng mga mababa na yung testosterone, wala nang libido. Okay? So, fulvic acid or humic acid can help boost your natural testosterone level production and balance hormone. Kaya ko na sinasabi yan kasi alam mo naman, Doc Ray, no, ang Tita Doc mong wanted palagi sa mga comprehensive sex education. Nagtatanong sila kung pwede ba daw yan sa kanila. Ang testosterone bumagsak na. Well, it can boost it. Okay? That's another good news. Now, yan ang ating Doc Ray, of course. And ikaw na magsabi, Doc, kung anong gusto mong sabihin.
Yeah, with Black MP, you have healthy mind, you have healthy body, and you have healthy life, vitality, and longevity.
Yes! Ang galing, di ba? Alright, so maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood. At kung di nyo napanood, may replay po ito. Partner, thank you very much.
Thank you also.